Good morning. Let's get started. This one or this one? Okay, Glass, what's the forecast today? Not bad. Ugh, as always. Okay, Glass, Google Margaret Atwood. Okay, cool. Sure, I can be there in 20 minutes. Okay, Glass, get directions to the coffee pond.
Hi, how are you doing?
Great, how are you?
I've got some news. I got the job. Amazing! Congratulations!
Okay, Glass, turn off the music. Mark! Honey! You're home early.
Yeah. And you're not.